Hi everyone, it's me Crystal here, and today I'm going to be making a video of what's in my bag. So hope you enjoy this video. I also have what's in my backpack. So hope you enjoy this video, and let's get started. Okay, so this is my purse. It's huge, and it's made from silver color, and it's from pink from Victoria's Secret. And it has little hooks for you wondering it's like a strapless kind of like a bag, and it has like another one here and here. So yeah, then in the front I just have this little Apple red mirror that came with me. I mean, for bag I had, well, I still have it. And there's a little mirror in there and there, and this bag is huge. Okay, so in this little pouch here I got my phone. Come in. There you go. My phone is there. And I have Sarah Monroe and here. I love her. Then I have my Neutrogena lip gloss and lip gloss. And you can see it. I'm wearing it right now. I love this one. And this is in Fruity Pink. Then on this other side, I've got my iPod. And that's really pretty here. And yeah. And then this pouch in here, in the front one, that one in there. Oh, I've got two pair of earrings. The first ones are big flowers, like that. You can see it. So that one there, and there's kind of earrings in there. I love this one. It's nice and anything anywhere. Then I got this other pair of earrings. This little kind of like violet earrings in here. This little hoop earring. So I like to keep earrings in somehow for some reason. Then on this big bag here, sorry for that, I got my makeup bag. Or it's like my kind of like my what can I say? My little makeup bag. Like that, the picture is different. And then I got into a lot of stuff here. The first thing I got is my Maybelline New York Light Studio. I mean Light Studio. Light Stiletto, sorry for that. I'm thinking of black actually. Like that. Then I got my Revlon palette. Like that. And this is the new packaging. I love the colors in it. It matches the shirt I'm wearing right now, but I'm not wearing like this color. So yeah, I have to put a mirror in here. You can see the mirror. So yeah. This is an electric pop. So yeah, that's that. Then I got my Patel I think. Lancome Paris mascara. And this has the weirdest brush I ever seen. Like that. They all flat. Like wow. I don't even know how to use brush your eyelashes. Kinda weird. I used it like twice. So yeah. Then I have here my Gemma Kit pencil liner Iconic Ice. I think it's Iconic. Yeah, Iconic Ice. Woo! And this is number 6, super bottom. So yeah. Then I got my Sephora eyeshadow, take a little sample. Okay. And And this one is in Aspen Summit number 23. So, let me show you. It kind of looks like vanilla and from that Crystal Avalanche from MAC. It's very frosty. You can see there. Little swatch. Very, very frosty. I love this color. Like for tears up or eyebrow on, or you can also have on your cheekbones. So yep. Then I got my blending brush from Victoria's Secret. Oh, it's a very, very fluffy brush. And it's clear. Then I got my Sephora mascara. The mascara lash plumper. And I like the brush in it. It's a normal toothbrush. They're a little bit like thick, but it'll still work for you. Then I got my concealer. Let's get that. And this is in number 91201 light beige. And it looks like the one from MAC. So yeah. Then I got my MAC eyeliner. And it's in white. So it's MAC. Then I got my Victoria's Secret Very Sexy lipstick. This is in Kiss Me, and I'm like almost all of it because I love wearing this color. And if you really swatch this, so you can see how beautiful it is. You can see there. Yeah, you can see it. Very a hot pink color. And that's that. Then here I got like a little sample from the stroke cream. But it's not really stroke cream anymore. It has like a little powder eyeshadow there. You can see there. You can see there. So yeah, and it says MAC. So that's what I have here, my little makeup bag. It's actually like for eyeliners and stuff like that. Yeah. Then I got my Louis Vuitton wallet, like that, and it opens like that. Passing through chains and stuff like that, and then it opens like that. I don't have chains right now, but yeah. And so yeah. And then it says Louis Vuitton here. You can see that. Louis Vuitton Paris, meaning friend. So that's my wallet. I love it. Then I got my other makeup bag. This is like the real makeup bag, like the one I use more. It's a very makeup tool, kind of flowers in it, and it's from Clinique. Let me show you this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the little one, the little first bag here. This one only has my blush from MAC. This is in Floor Power. That's, you can see the name. How you smell it. And you can see it. And it's the color in it. And it's very satin. Beautiful makeup. It's very orangey color. You can see that. There it is. That one. Oh, that one. Then I got my Sephora eyeliner. And this is in number 11 Silver Green. Like that. And it's very beautiful. And you can really swatch to show you how it looks. It's very beautiful. I love it. You can see that. And it's kind of like a black. Like silver with black. And it's camouflage color. It's beautiful. So that's what it's got here. And then on this little pouch here, I got a Kat Von D palette. you see it a lot of times in my video. So yeah. And this is in metal orchestra. And that's how you spell it. Or orchestra or orchestra. Then I got my Mac Studio Fix. I love this little guy here. And the shade is in NC20. This is a color. Maybe some of you haven't seen my video. So yeah. Well, I haven't uploaded. I'm like refining it. So yeah. Then I have my pigment and head cuts. That's like a pinky color. Then I got my the Glossies Florian Express from Maybelline. And this is in black, no, fine. Like this, black, like that. And the brush in here, I think a normal, I think a thin, like a spoon brush, something like that. Probably twist it or I kind of like it, not very much. Because I don't really like order that kind of mascara. I mean, I wear a lot of mascara. So, yeah. Then I got my favorite eyeshadow from MAC. And it's a dual mineralized eyeshadow in Illusionary Green Ambition. It's in me here. Look like that. And it's just two swaps like that. And you get a lot of product in there. Sorry. So that's that. Then I got my brushes. This is an angle brush from Claire's and I bought it. And it has rhinestones in it. It's very, very gorgeous. Then I got my 187 brush. That's, yeah. Then I got my e.l.f. Confection brush. That's kind of a flat brush. Then I got my matte Lenny brush. With a little thin brush. Then I got my Claire powder and blush brush. Then I got my e.l.f. Studio e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, something for that. That's. Then I got my last but not least here is my matte lipstick in a royalty. Cream shade of royalty. And this one I love it so much. Probably anybody's watching this. They're very pink. I don't know how to be able to see it, but it's in there. It was goggle like that, something like that. So yeah, that's what I have here. Now in my bag, I just carried my Hello Kitty complexion brush. Then I have some random stuff here. My chocolate palette, it's a color from Sun and mirror here. Then my Heavenly Flowers cream. Then my Heavenly Flowers what's it called? Perfume. That I love the packaging of it. God, I want to make it too. Smells so good. Then I thought this little rose flower for my hair. And that's all I have to say, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be making one after this one. So stay tuned, guys. And God, this is the Virgin Marie. Bye, guys.